Hello, beautiful hedgehogs. Today we're going to talk about how to implement your Facebook pixel through Google Tag Manager. So if you run any kind of business and Facebook ads, a Facebook pixel is an absolute must in terms of capturing what's going on your website and then feeding it back to Facebook so we can use that data to make our ads better. So if you've never set up a pixel before, we're going to go just from scratch. So I'm here in the event manager of Facebook. So it's just business.facebook.com/events manager. You can also just Google it and it should spit you right here. So you can see that I do have access to a few pixels already, but we are going to go through the process of creating a new one. So we're going to click on this option up here called Connect Data. And then you can see there's a bunch of options. So generally speaking, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be web. You're going to be connecting a website. So we're going to click web. And then I'm going to use one of the existing pixels. But if you don't have one, you can click create new data set and then it will kind of step you through that. Actually, let's just do that. So I'm going to also untick this free demo. I don't want that. So I'm going to call this one test and I'm going to click create. So then what it's going to do is it's going to open a new tab for us. No, it is not. It is going to add the new data source. So we're going to jump over here into data source and we're going to jump into the new pixel that we've just created called test. And then you're going to see on this screen, there's an option that is the second one from the bottom. From the top that says set up metapixel. Okay, so within here, we want to pick the first option, which is manually add pixel code. So we're going to click on install code manually. And then this is going to bring us to a page that has our code on it. So what we want to do here is go copy code, and then it's going to tell you add the base code to the website header. So you don't need to worry too much about that, because we're going to jump over into Google Tag Manager. We're going to hit new. We're going to name this one Facebook Pixel. We're going to go into tag configurations, and this time we're going to pick custom HTML. Then what we're going to do is we're going to paste that code we just took from Facebook, and then we're going to jump into triggering, and we're going to pick all pages. So basically what that does is it tells Google Tag Manager that we want this code to fire on every single page. We're going to hit save. And then we're going to hit submit. And so again, every time you submit a change here, name it something worthwhile. If you've made more than one change, I encourage you to add a description as well, just listing all of those changes within here. And we're going to hit publish. So then once you get the success message, happy days, that has worked. We're going to jump back into our Facebook and we're going to hit continue. We are going to turn on automatic advanced matching. This just makes it easier for Facebook to match that up with their users. We're going to hit continue. And then you can skip this part or you can do this part right now. It's totally up to you. So adding events is just if Facebook doesn't pick up on everything automatically. So I will not do this part right now, but that's another video that we can run through adding the events through this tool in Facebook. And then we're going to go to pixels. So there is a data delay between setting this up and you being able to see it. So you can see here, event activity might not appear for up to 30 minutes. So do not panic. Just wait 30 minutes and come back and have a look. And then that is as hard as it is. You are done. You have your Facebook pixel ready and firing, and you will be able to use it in your Facebook ad starter. Good luck.